Hey dude, okay, so I need the new logo put here, and if you may have to resize it so that it fits, but I need that here, and I need it to when this scrolls down that that this is smaller. Then here, when I need to get rid of all the stuff up front, so if you need to have it start, like get rid of this, get rid of this again, and then have it start like this. It has to start here. So whatever you got to do to get it to where it starts immediately here rather than all that other stuff, I'd appreciate. Here, I need this full width and then this stuff underneath. This, I need this to where when you click on it, it pops up full screen versus here. But it can be like this. It could be like to the side in the text here. And then I don't know why this is here. If you can get rid of that, that'd be great. And that's it for today on this site. Then what I'd like you to do is go back to if there's any notes left for this site, anything that you didn't do that you could do, I'd appreciate it. Getting the header done right, like this example here with get rid of one of these people, get rid of this for sure, and then here this should be get rid of these people and put the photo of Matt with the background taken out here. That would be great. And then this should be the same thing. Should be the same photo, the background of Chicago with you can even take the image from his site now and make that like a gray tone, and then put him with his hands crossed and all that stuff here. All right, so now as you scroll down, change this to a car. Change this to a drug, like a needle or something like that. And then get all this figured out, from his website, and put all the ones in there that matter. I'll have to wait on this because I have to give you the videos for this. And then here, put in like a Yelp icon and Avo, like his stuff on his website now. He has those logos for ratings. Put them here, and then do your best here. And then I'll get you some more tomorrow. And here, put his is this his? Is this his thing? No. Yeah. So we need to have. I don't understand this. So what is this? Why isn't it showing posts? Because I see this is his, right? So why is this working like this? Why isn't it showing a post? So let's go back to the front page. So let's go here. Yeah, so it's not going to a post. So if you could, yeah, see these are her posts, but there's no, they're not showing up as a post. So can you fix those, please? And then here in another video I told you what to put here. It's like we attorney referrals. I forgot what I said. So if you can put that in, and then make Matt here with his photo, and then have it go there, and then have Stacy with their information, their social media, right? And then it needs to. I want the agent or the attorney. Let's see what it looks like here. Let's go. Yeah, so if you go here and you click on this, it'll take you to a profile page, which I will send you. Have a layout like this, right? A little bit about them, awards, and you can put these icons in there for now, you know, and then you know, just stuff like this. If you can take it from their stuff, you know, from their profile page, that would be great. If you need help, then just say, hey, please send this to me and I'll get it. And here, I want this to be a video section where there's a video here, like one video and then a couple videos below. So, and then let's see what this does. This is very much like, yeah, this is very much like, yeah, like Avada does. For now, leave this. Don't do this. And then also, he wants the color scheme to be like this website. So he likes the blue and the gold, this kind of combination. So on like the top here, I would make this the blue, you know, both of these be blue, and then have the gold. Yeah, I'd have it gold. So let's look at this. So the blue, and you can make it this darker blue, and then have it be gold lettering rather than black, and then when you mouse over it, it turns white. And then we're going to get a new logo soon. So, but then like here, so that's that, right? Then here, you want to have this be have this navy, have this the blue that we just talked about here. Okay, leave this, and then here have this be the yeah, leave that for now. We'll figure out the stuff. So that should be it for today. And then the other thing I need is to go through the websites and go to settings, go to privacy, and then go to create new page and use that instead of the other thing for now. I mean, still keep whatever you've done, but on the other sites, as you're updating these, you know, create the privacy page if it doesn't have one. Okay, thanks.